How to change the long press of your power button to turn off your phone or other ways in which you can turn off your Samsung phone. This is with the late Android 15 One UI 7.0. After the Android 15 update, in most cases, your Samsung phone will now do something like this here, in which you don't want that, right? So to turn off your phone or to set a power button to turn off your phone, one, you can swipe down like this here and you'll notice the power off toggle right here, this button right there. When you tap on that, that's going to give you this here to turn off your phone. So that's one way of doing it. The other way is by changing the long press power button function. So go to settings, use the search option here and just type in the words side button. You see this option here, side button. When you see it, tap on it and you will now have the option to change the long press of your button right here. So you'll go long press and switch it to power off menu. And now when you hold down your button, that's going to give you this here. There is another way to do this, and if you tap right here, they'll actually show you the other ways. So I already showed you the swipe down where you can tap on that if you prefer to keep the Bixby or Google Assistant. You have the holding down of the side and volume down button. So instead of pressing down on the power button and you don't want the long press function, hold down your power button and the volume down like this here. And you will also get the power off menu if you were looking for that. And also, if you like to use Bixby and you have it set to Bixby, you can say turn off the phone to Bixby and it's going to take you to the power off menu, like and so.